ดำรงชีวิตมีสุขภาพที่แข็งแรงมีการวางแผนครอบครัวที่ถูกต้องตามฮีตข้อประเพณีวัฒนธรรมระเบียบกฎหมายและสอดคล้องกับการพัฒนาในระยะใหม่พร้อมทั้งสร้างให้เขาเจ้ากลายเป็นกำลังแห่งสุขดันที่เข้มแข็งในการประกอบส่วนให้แก่การสร้างสาพัฒนาประเทศชาติก็คือการประกอบส่วนเฮ็ดให้สปป.ลาวหลุดพ้นออกจากสถานภาพด้อยพัฒนาในสู่ปีต่อหน้าและบรรลุเป้าหมายการพัฒนาแบบยืนยงในปี 2030
It is a celebration, most importantly, of the pursuit of rights and choices for all, a business that is not yet finished, on which we have much more to do. In Lao PTR, UNFP is honored to collaborate with the Ministry of Planning. I acknowledge also the strong collaboration that we have with multiple line ministries, the Women's Union, the Youth Union, the Ministry of Health and Education, with the National Assembly, the international community, CSOs, those present today, many who could not be with us today. And I'd like to make a special mention to some new partners from the private sector, from the media, and the young people who collaborate with us side by side in everything that we do. What binds us together is our desire to ensure that every girl and woman can have full autonomy over her body, her life, and her decisions, so that alone or within a couple, she can decide if, when, and how many children to have, and whom to have them with. We have a set of distinguished panelists that will speak later about what has changed in Lao PTR in the past 25 years within the scope of field of sexual reproductive health and rights. Laos was one of the 3 countries that reduced its maternal death ratio fastest. It's also one of the few countries that met the global targets of reducing maternal mortality. And most importantly, it's one of the only countries that has placed the adolescent girl at the center of its development efforts.